I'm just going to talk about things I'm doing in the summer. Tomorrow I'm flying out to Montreal, and on Sunday I'll be flying to Melbourne, Australia. The reason why is because I'm competing in Worlds 2019. I mentioned that in the last video. And I'll also be competing in Canadian Championships too, at the end of the month. I'm very excited for both competitions. I'm excited for Worlds especially because, well, I haven't been to Australia, so it's very nice to visit another country, and that's the exciting part. You know, the long flight is worth it. I believe it's a 23-hour flight, but I'll be doing that. Yeah, I'm flying out to Montreal tomorrow and Melbourne on Sunday. And for mains, I'm not going to be saying goals, because once I make goals, I just end up doing worse than what I say I'm going to do. So I'm just going to mention mains. For 2x2, I'm using the MoYu WeiPo. For 3x3, I'm using the WeiLong WR M. I believe that's what it's called. For 4x4, I'm using the AoSu GTS2. For 5x5, I'm using the Wushuang. This is a regular Wushuang setup and stuff. For Skewb, I'm using the AoYan Skewb. Very nice. For Square One, I'm using the Cubicle Labs Volt MS. For Pura, I'm using the MoYu magnetic Pyraminx. Yeah, the last competition I went to, which was in Montreal, I lost my Pura, so I had to buy a new one. For Megaminx, I'm using the Yuxin. I don't know, I think there's a version 1 and version 2, so I don't know which one I have. These are nice cues. So yeah, I'll be competing in both Canadian Championships and World Championships, so if you happen to see me at any of those competitions, don't be afraid to come up and say hi. I'm looking forward to meet people, you know. And I'm excited for both competitions, especially Worlds, because I haven't been to a very, very big competition in a long time. So yeah, it's just an exciting thing for me. Also going out of the country, it's also an exciting part about Worlds, you know. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yes, see y'all next time.